Alright, welcome to day 10 out of 30 days Python coding challenge. So right here now, our challenge for today is going to be printing a Fibonacci sequence. So now, our input is going to be a single character and I'm going to show a Fibonacci sequence for those numbers of tens. And what is Fibonacci sequence? So this is a sequence whereby the present number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So here now, 1 here is the sum of 0 and 1. 2 here is the sum of these two 1 that we have here. 3 here is the sum of the previous two number, which is 1 and 2, and such is 5, 2 and 5. Then you can see 34 here is the sum of the previous two numbers, 13 and 21. That is Fibonacci number. So we can say this formula right here, where f0 is equals to 0 and f1 is equals to 1 and fn equals to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. So that is Fibonacci sequence. So how are we going to do this? Alright, so give it a pause and try to do it on your own and let me know how you do it in the comment section, whether you're able to do it or not, or you have to watch the solution. And if you are watching day 10 and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up so it can be shown to more people by the YouTube algorithm, for it to be more helpful to other programmers out there trying to improve their problem solving skills with coding and Python. So we start again as usual with int and input. N is equal to int and input. I'm not going to say enter a value, something like that. Okay, enter a value. I think that's alright. We can go with that. So enter a value. And here now we want to have two variables, which is, and then we can define a variable like this. I know most beginners don't know this, but this is a variable whereby A will be assigned to 0 and B will be assigned to 1. Yeah, we have something like that. And now I want to have this Fibonacci sequence. So we can just have like, this is the Fibonacci. Okay, let me just put like underscore for sequence, something like that. Then we want to have it as an empty list for now. And now what are we going to do? We want to go for in range. I'm going to say for I in range of n. So for I in range n, what are we going to be doing? So the first thing we want to do is append a to the sequence. So first thing we do is append a to the sequence, and I'm going to say Fibonacci sequence dot append the value of a, to this sequence. Then I now want to set a, b. Now I want to set a to b and b to a plus b. So do you get what we just do here? So what we do here now is like, for the first time now, we have 0 and 1. So as our Fibonacci sequence now, we add 0 to 1 and we set our a to b, which is 1, and our b to 0 plus 1, which is still 1. And we repeat the same thing again, now setting a to 1 again now, but b now is now 1 plus 1, which is 2, and we keep on going that way. So this is simply how we do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and say print out, then using our f string right here. So what do we want to print? First n tens of Fibonacci sequence are. Alright, and I want to separate these strings and just join them together and say dot join. Alright, I want to say, okay, let me use a map function right here. This might be a bit complicated, but don't worry, you will get it and you will see it. Yeah, if you don't understand what map function means, go ahead and watch my video on map function for you to have an understand. So what this is just doing is just appending string today. So let me just enlarge this so we can work with this. So I'll just go ahead and run this now. So I'm going to enter a value now, and I'm going to say, let's go with 10. So here now, we can see we are getting exact same thing, whereby 21 is the sum of the previous two, 8 plus 13 is 21. You get. So, and if this is too much, you can just go ahead and just decide to use your list directly and just say fib sequence itself. So let's try this, and let's just do 4, and we have it here now, right? So that is still alright, and it still work quite alright. So yeah, so that'll be all for today. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let us know how you approach this, your approach to this problem in the comment section. Bye. See you next time.